Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Moto and Tech. And today in this video I am going to show you the updates that are provided from Samsung as part of Android Oreo update in S8. And S8 is the first device that got the Oreo update in Samsung family. So let's get started. Actually I have already made a video regarding this Oreo update, and this is actually a continuation of that video. You can check that video out above here from that iCards. Now let's move the main update. I mean the few updates that are provided in dialer is the UI change, like create contact and update existing contact. Previously it was like they were in list view, but now it is showing in side by side. You can, if you type any number that are not in your contact list, it will show that if you want to create the new contact or if you want to update any existing contact with that number in this view. And there is another update, like if you want to this is actually the smart select that are introduced as part of Oreo. You just need to, if there is any number, you just need to press that number, and the phone will automatically detect the whole number and it will select that number. And this is the one thing. And the another thing is, if you select that number to cut, copy or paste anything here, then the toolbar will appear and you can actually now move this toolbar here and there according to your wish. So if you are typing something or if you are reading something, and in that case it will be really very convenient, because the text will not be blocked, because we faces this issue often. I mean often, like we want to read the text we are selecting above, but in we cannot, as we selecting the text and the toolbar appears and the text above the selected text becomes invisible due to the toolbar. But now you can easily move that, and it is a really very convenient feature to have. Now let's move from here. Now let's see what are the other changes. Now let's go to no, H panel. Yeah, as you can see that the UI of the H panel is little bit changed. There is a clear line in is appeared here, and that is separating the H panel from the rest of the screen. You can swipe over the H panels here, and the apps icon that are present in the H panel are now little bit changed. It's more like in circular manner. You can also create folders here to add different apps in the folder, and this is here. This is all the new features that are introduced as part of H panel. Nothing new here. Now let's move from here. Now let's go to the recent app section. As you can see, this is the new format of the recent app section. You can toggle these from list view to thumbnail view from this three dot menu. You just need to click that three dot menu, and if you select the thumbnail view, it will be the in the thumbnail view format, and if you select that list view, it will be in list view format. Actually this list view is quite convenient to use, because you can easily swipe up or swipe down to get all the I mean to get all the apps that are present here. Sorry, something wrong happened. Yeah, you get to I mean you can get easily, you can easily get that apps in, and you can easily take a glance at that apps. But in thumbnail view, yeah, it's quite convenient, and we are already gets used to this way of using recent app. But this is a welcome change actually, and that's it here. Now let's move to the menu here. As you can see, if I long press the icons that are present here, we are getting some options like search, subscription, trending. You all know this is actually a feature from iPhone. There is a 3D touch technology in iPhone, So if we hard press any icon in iPhone, I mean in iPhone 6s or 7s and anything after 6s, the any shortcuts from that app will be appeared, and this is the kind of implementation of that 3D touch feature is actually working in long press. So we just need to long press that, and the options will appear like search, subscription, trending. And then if we long press the phone icon, we can, I mean the phone icon, we can get like create contact or create groups, these all. And if we long press the camera icon, yes, we are not getting anything, but I have already downloaded the Pixel 2 camera app. It really provides a very good bokeh effect, and we can capture really very good photos from this app. I'll share this link in my description, in the description of my video. You can check it out. Now if I long press this icon, you can see that we can take a selfie or we can take a video from here directly. This is actually a welcome change. uh, that's it here. Now yes, another feature that is introduced as part of Android Oreo is the coloring of the folder. As you can see, we can now change the color to our desired color. Like yeah, previously also we were able to change the color, but there are basically few 5 or 6 preset colors are available, and beyond that we cannot change. Now there are a color toggle is present. You can change the color to your desired color, and you can set that color for your folder. Like here I have selected the green color, and the folder will appear in green. Now I am selecting changing the color of Google folder. Now I am changing it to something like blue. Yeah, kind of blue. Yeah, as you can see that the folder color has changed to blue. This is one thing. And after that, there are something new introduced as part of Android Oreo update in my files. That is, if we open my files, then navigate to internal storage, there is an option to toggle between the list view and grid view. You just need to press this icon beside the search icon to toggle between the list view or grid view. That's it here, or nothing new in this my files section. uh, Now let's move to the setting. Yeah, in the setting section, you can see that under display, if we go to the home screen, then you can change the home screen layout from here. Yeah, let me check once. Yeah, if you go to the settings, actually you can now change the lock screen clock type here. There are different types of clocks are present, like this one looks really cool. And this one, I don't think this is actually useful. It's become really actually it's become unreadable. If you want to take a glance at your phone to get the time, and it's become really unreadable. Yeah, this one is also good. This is also kind of good thing, change. And you can also change the color of your clock according to your desire. Yes, the color of the clock is changing, as you can see. That's it here. I have to select this because I like this color, and I'll make this look white. Yeah, it's fine now. And you can also change the clock style of your always on display. That is, these are all the clock styles. Actually these are same as the lock screen. You can also download the always on display clocks from your Galaxy store, Galaxy, Samsung, or Samsung theme store, whatever you say. That's it here. And another thing I want to show you, I actually am not sure if it was present in the Android 7.0 or not, but actually this is really a very good option to navigate your phone. So you have to go to the universal switch option. then you have to go to setting, and there is option switches. If you go there, you can see that there are different type of switches are present. So to add switches, you have to just do add a switch, and then you can select screen, or you can select accessories, or you can select camera. Now the interesting part is here in the camera section. So in the camera, as you can see, there is a text written, set your phone to detect your head, eye or mouth movements. So what you have to do, you have to simply select that camera, and then you can see that there are options like turn head left, turn head right, move head up, move head down, blink and mouth, I mean open mouth. These all are the switches. So what you have to do, you can select these options, and any and some task or some tasks will be associated with this movement. And if you do that thing, suppose your phone is for in front of your face and you move your head left, so what it will do, let me check. So if you move your head left, then it will navigate to the home screen. So if you open your mouth, then it will show the recently used apps. If you turn your head left, it will navigate to home screen, and if you turn your head right, it will expand the notification panel like this. So I will show you some demo, but actually here I am here the light is little bit low. I am not sure how much it will work. Let me turn it on. Yeah, some warnings. Okay, okay, it's now looks fine. Universal, as you can see that universal switch is turned on. Now let me press ok here. So as you can see, I am not touching the phone here. If I am, yeah, as you can see, the notification panel is expanded. Now if I want to go to home, I just have to turn my head left. There is warning like face not detected. Let me pick up the phone now. Yeah, as you can see, the yes, now the as I open my mouth, the recent app are shown, and when I turned my head left, it was navigated to the home screen. Now let me switch it off. To switch it off, you just need to press the power button and volume up button together for few seconds, 1 or 2 seconds. Yeah, you can see that it is, no, it's not turned off actually. Okay, let me turn it off from setting. I have to just press these. Yeah, it's now turned off, but you can actually press the power button and the volume up button together to turn it off from anywhere. This is really a cool feature. I think this should be the future of the smartphone. Like, you don't have to even touch your phone. You can do some gestures like moving your head or blinking your eyes or moving your I mean hands, anything, any gestures you can do, and based on that gestures, the smartphone will do actions accordingly. So these all are the changes. I don't think there are any changes out there as part of the Android Oreo update in Galaxy S8. So that's it here. And one thing I want to I want to share with you that the Galaxy S8 really, it's a very good phone. I in near future I will make a video that how much worth it provides and how much useful it is in 2018, because there are also some other smartphones are there like Note 8, iPhone 10 and LG V30 plus. Actually that variant is available in India, V30 plus, and OnePlus 5T. That many other smartphones are present in these in this year. So I will say that how much worth really is. I mean, is it still worth to have a S8 in 2018 or not? I will share my views to you, and you guys will be the judge if I am right or wrong. And this is all. And the Galaxy S8 that with Android Oreo becomes really very convenient to use, and I can feel that the battery life is extended at some extent. Yes, not that much great improvement like when I'm at the end of the day. I was when I was on Nougat, I left with a juice of 30% or sometimes 25% with moderate uses, and always the yeah, and always connected to the internet. But at now I am at the end of the day, I can see that there are 35 or sometimes 40% juice are left with same uses, with same moderate uses, and always connected to the internet. That's it. That is the view I want to share with you, and that is all the changes in Galaxy S8 after the audio update. Thank you guys. Please subscribe to my channel Moto and Tech, and please like the video if you like it, and please share the video to others so others also can watch the changes, what are the changes that are introduced as part of Android Audio in Galaxy S8. This will be really very helpful for them all and for me also. Thank you. That's it. Good night.